A very good morning to all present here. The next topic in the lecture series of power system is about the sources of energy. That is, what are conventional and non-conventional energy sources? So in today's topic, we are going to see about what is a conventional source of energy, what is a non-conventional source of energy, and what is the difference between these two cases. Come, let's get into the video. This is Bharat, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Energy. The word energy defines the capacity or the ability to do work. Energy exists in many forms, including kinetic energy, electrical energy, thermal energy, potential energy, chemical energy, etc. Motion is associated with all forms of energy. For example, any object or body in motion has kinetic energy associated with it. According to the principle of conservation of energy, or first law of thermodynamics, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can only be changed from one form to another. There are two primary sources of energy, namely the conventional source of energy and the non-conventional sources of energy. The sources of energy is classified into two categories, mainly as the conventional sources and non-conventional sources. Conventional sources is the commercial, that is coal, natural gas, or oil, or electricity, what we primarily use for power generation. Non-conventional sources of energy include solar, wind, tidal, biomass, geothermal, hydro, etc. Compare the conventional and non-conventional energy sources. A conventional energy source. Energy is an important input for the development. It aims that the natural resources, energy resources are also available in plenty. We have a classification here, renewable energy and non-renewable energy also. What are these conventional sources of energy? Energy that has been used for ancient times is known as conventional energy. A conventional resource are the one that are commonly used. These are available in limited amount and develop over a long period. As a result, unlimited use, they are likely to be exhausted one day. Conventional energy sources have two types. One is commercial energy source and non-commercial energy source. Commercial energy sources, the sources of energy that are usually available, is costly to the users and referred to as the commercial energy source. Non-commercial energy source, the sources of energy that are usually available free of cost to the users and are referred to as the non-commercial energy cost. You can see the sources of conventional energy sources and their percentage value over here. Conventional energy sources here are classified into different categories. In the same way, non-conventional energy sources are the renewable energies, environmental friendly, available in abundance, and solar energy, nuclear energy, etc. Conventional energy sources and non-conventional energy sources. Conventional energy source include coal. A coal releases large amount of energy. It is born because of the density of the hydrocarbon in the material. Classification, that is, coal is formed by the dead plants being put under significant pressure and temperature for millions of years. There are 4 grades of coals: lignite, sublignite, bituminous, and anthracites. Oil and gas. Sedimentary of rocks containing plants aims to remain about 10 to 20 crore years old and are called sources of oil. Thermal powers, a thermal power station is a power station in which the heat energy is converted into electric energy or the power. So thermal power plants usually use coal, petrol, or natural gas to produce their thermal electricity. Non-commercial includes the hydro, firewood. Hydro water energy is most conventional renewable energy source, and it is obtained from water falling from a height. Nuclear power, and etc. Non-conventional energy sources. Non-conventional energy sources include solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, biogas, geothermal, and nuclear, etc. As solar energy is the one energy obtained from the sun in the form of heat or light. Wind energy. Air flows can be used to run the turbines. Wind energy is used in windmills, which convert the kinetic energy of the wind into mechanical or electrical energy. Tidal energy. The energy associated with the tides in the oceans that can be converted to electrical energy, that is called as the tidal energy. Biomass. The organic matters origin from the living organisms like wood, cattle, dung, sewage, agriculture waste, etc. are called as the biomass. So these are the various classifications of conventional and non-conventional sources of energy in the system. So with this, we come to a conclusion about conventional sources and non-conventional sources of energy. Thank you. Keep watching our lecture series. Meet you in the next class.